Protect your home from overflow and costly damage during storms with the right gutter protection system. Best gutter guards for heavy rain are designed to handle intense water flow while blocking debris, ensuring your gutters stay clear, efficient, and maintenance-free year-round. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. RAPTOR 48FT Gutter Guard. The RAPTOR 48FT Gutter Guard is a dependable choice for homeowners seeking long-lasting gutter protection with minimal effort. Built from durable stainless steel micro mesh, it resists rust and warping while maintaining strong performance over time. Its V-bend and trough technology enhances water flow, ensuring rainwater passes through efficiently even during heavy storms. At the same time, it blocks leaves, pine needles, and small debris that can clog gutters. Installation is straightforward with included self-tapping screws, making it ideal for DIY users. Overall, it offers a solid mix of durability, performance, and ease of use for year-round gutter protection. Number 2. A&M Heavy Duty Gutter Guard. The A&M Heavy Duty Gutter Guard offers a simple yet highly effective solution for keeping gutters clear. Made from industrial-grade aluminum, it is designed to last without rusting or deteriorating, backed by a lifetime warranty. Its precision hole pattern allows heavy rainwater to pass through while blocking leaves and debris. The low-profile design makes it nearly invisible from the ground, preserving your home's appearance. It works well with various gutter systems, including hidden hangers, adding flexibility. Installation is easy with overlapping sections for a secure fit. This guard is a great option for those wanting durability and reliable performance. Number 3. Sukhavati 48-foot Gutter Guard. The Sukhavati 48-foot gutter guard combines strong materials with smart design for consistent performance. Its stainless steel micro mesh and aluminum frame provide excellent durability, resisting corrosion in all weather conditions. The smart pitch technology creates a slight angle that improves water flow while preventing debris buildup on the surface. It effectively filters out small particles like pine needles and twigs without blocking rainwater. Installation is simple with a screw-in system that works with most gutter types and rooflines. This guard is a practical choice for homeowners who want efficient filtration, easy setup, and dependable protection throughout the year. Number 4. FLEXXPOINT FlowGuard Gutter Guard. The FLEXXPOINT FlowGuard Gutter Guard is built for strength and performance in extreme weather conditions. Made from heavy-gauge aluminum, it resists rust and holds up well against heavy rain, snow, and wind. Its unique three-point design lifts debris off the surface, allowing airflow to dry and remove it naturally. This helps reduce buildup and maintenance over time. The system also controls water flow to prevent overflow during intense rain. Installation is simple with interlocking ends and included screws for a secure fit. Overall, it provides durable, low-maintenance gutter protection for homeowners looking for long-term reliability.
Number 5. VEVOR 5-inch Gutter Guard. The VEVOR 5-inch Gutter Guard is a versatile and cost-effective solution for maintaining clean gutters. Constructed from durable aluminum, it withstands various weather conditions without rusting or corroding. Its perforated design blocks leaves, pine needles, and debris while allowing water to flow freely, reducing the risk of clogs. The panels can be easily cut to fit different gutter sizes, making it adaptable for various setups. Installation is quick with pre-drilled holes and included screws, making it suitable for DIY users. This gutter guard offers a practical balance of affordability, durability, and reliable performance for everyday use. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.